Speak Up English, the key to success.
Aisha, one thing I've come to appreciate through our friendship is the richness of cultural diversity.
I feel the same way, James. Our backgrounds may be different, but it's those differences that make our connection special.
It's fascinating how our unique traditions and customs can bring so much depth to our interactions.
Exactly. I've learned so much from you about your culture, and I hope you've gained something from mine as well.
I've gained a whole new perspective on life through our conversations and experiences together.
It's important to remember that cultural differences are not barriers. They are bridges that allow us to connect and grow.
I couldn't agree more. By understanding and appreciating each other's cultures, we create a more inclusive and harmonious world.
And we can celebrate our diversity while finding common ground in our shared values and aspirations.
Here's to embracing cultural differences and the beauty of diversity that enriches our lives.
Cheers to that, James. May our friendship continue to bridge cultures and inspire others to do the same.
Aisha, I must admit that growing up, I didn't have much exposure to different cultures. Meeting you has been a transformative experience.
I'm humbled by your words, James. Our friendship has been a journey of mutual learning and growth.
It's incredible how our backgrounds shape us and influence our perspectives on life.
Yes, and by learning about each other's cultures, we gain a broader understanding of the world.
I've come to realize that there's no singular, right way of doing things. Different cultures have their unique strengths and wisdom to offer.
That's so true, James. Embracing cultural differences can lead us to better solutions and innovative ideas.
It's like the more we open our minds, the richer our lives become.
And we become more compassionate and empathetic towards others' experiences and struggles.
Here's to the transformative power of cultural exchange and the beautiful way it shapes our perspectives.
Cheers to that, James. May our friendship continue to be a source of inspiration and understanding.
Aisha, our friendship has taught me the importance of breaking down cultural stereotypes.
It's unfortunate how stereotypes can create barriers and misunderstandings between people.
Indeed, by getting to know each other on a personal level, we challenge those preconceived notions and find common ground.
I believe that through meaningful connections, we can create a more inclusive and accepting society.
Absolutely. It's about looking beyond appearances and truly seeing the person behind the cultural background.
Our friendship shows that genuine connections can bridge any cultural divide.
I'm grateful for the openness and acceptance we've shared, breaking down barriers together.
Here's to fostering unity and understanding by embracing our unique cultural identities.
Cheers to that, Aisha. May our friendship continue to be a testament to the power of breaking down stereotypes. Aisha, I've come to cherish the beauty of cultural exchange through our friendship.
Me too, James. Our interactions have given me a deeper appreciation for my own culture and a curiosity about others.
It's like we become ambassadors of our cultures, sharing and celebrating them with each other.
And by doing so, we create a tapestry of traditions and experiences that make life so much more vibrant.
I've learned so much about your cultural celebrations and rituals, and it has made me appreciate the diversity of our world.
Likewise, James. Your traditions and values have also enriched my life in ways I couldn't have imagined.
Our friendship proves that embracing cultural differences not only brings us closer together, but also opens our minds to new possibilities.
Here's to the beauty of cultural exchange and the wonderful experiences it brings into our lives.
Cheers to that, Aisha. May our friendship continue to inspire others to embrace cultural diversity and celebrate the richness it offers. Aisha, as our friendship continues to grow, I can't help but think about the lasting impact we have on each other's lives.
It's a connection that goes beyond cultural boundaries, shaping who we are as individuals.
Our friendship has taught me the value of embracing diversity and seeking out meaningful connections.
And I believe that through friendships like ours, we can sow the seeds of unity and understanding in the world.
I'm grateful for the profound influence you've had on my life, Aisha. You've opened my eyes to a world of possibilities.
Likewise, James. Our friendship has broadened my horizons and encouraged me to be more compassionate.
Here's to the enduring impact of friendship and the hope for a world where cultural diversity is celebrated and cherished.
Cheers to that, James. May our friendship continue to be a beacon of hope and a testament to the beauty of cultural connections.